Morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. We are not afraid to die. This is a statement by someone in this story, and this was done by the writer's own son. And this is a story when they were sailing in the sea, and they wanted to cover a distance, and they did it also. Even they, though they faced so many dangerous situations, but anyhow they with their courage and with their efforts they were able to make their journey successful. So here few expressions are here. Honing our seafaring skills, it means improving selling, improving any journey, means selling skills. So it means developing or improving selling or traveling or selling skills, selling in the sea. Next is here ominous silence. So ominous silence means something that is unpleasant, like कुछ गलत होने वाला है, कुछ अपशगुन होने वाला है in this way. So mayday calls means when we are in sea and we are selling, someone who is selling, and during that when someone wants to take help, this is mayday call, means calls indicating dangers, or someone if calls in dangerous situation. Second one is pinpricks in the West version. It indicates the area, like when a needle is pricked, so very small area, very small area, it is indicating. A tousled head means a head with scattered hair and fuzzy बिखरे हुए बालों वाला सिर. So here this is an autobiography, means here the writer is describing his own experience. So in July 1976, the narrator, a 37-year-old businessman, and his wife Mary, 6-year-old son Jonathan, and 7-year-old daughter Suzanne, set sail from Plymouth, England, and they wished to go round the world on a long sea journey as Captain James Cook had done 200 years earlier. जैसे जेम्स कुक ने 200 साल पहले जर्नी कवर की थी, so they were following the same, and they started it started in 23-meter 30-ton wooden hulled बोट नेम्ड, उनका जो बोट था, उनका जो शिप था, उसका नाम था वेव वॉकर, एंड इट वाज हैवी एज 30th टन, एंड it was 23 meter. So the first part of their planned 3 years 105,000 kilometers journey passed pleasantly. They passed this distance pleasantly. They sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town, and they took on 2 airmen. उन लोगों ने 2 लोगों को भी अपने सपोर्ट में ले रखा था, लैरी विजिल एंड अमेरिकन हब साइलर. सो अ स्विस टू हेल्प. सो यहाँ पे ये लोग जो उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए उन्होंने हायर किया हुआ था, एंड they were trying to cross, and their purpose was to cross the rough southern Indian Ocean. On their second day of the Cape Town, they faced extremely strong wind which blew continuously for next few weeks, and waves rose up 15 meters. On December 25, they were 35,000 kilometers east of Cape Town. Though the weather was very bad, they enjoyed Christmas and New Year's Day. It is here. At dawn on 2, January 2, the waves were gigantic, means they were so high, and we were sailing with only a small storm jeep, and were sailing and still making 8 knots. Knots means, knots is the distance that is covered, that is to like mile, nautical mile, and uh, this is distance of sea distance. So okay, now as the ship rose to the top of each wave, we could see endless enormous seas rolling towards us. Means enormous means big. Big sea was in front of them, and the screaming of the wind and spray was painful to the ears. Means the waves were roaring, and wind dropped, and the sky immediately grew dark. So this made to slow down the ship. We dropped the storm jeep and lashed a heavy mooring rope in a loop across the stern. So backside, stern means backside of the ship, they had tied a rope to balance the ship, and then we double lashed everything went through. उन्होंने हर चीज़ को एक डबल नॉट लगा करके बांध दिया था बैलेंस करने के लिए. A life raft drill attached lifelines, donned oil skins jackets they had wore. उन लोगों ने ये सारी चीज़ें पहन ली थी so that they could save themselves. The first indication of impending means that is big disaster, huge and very unpleasant disaster was there, and they were about to face, and it was very clear. Disaster was there, and the wind was ominous, silence was there, and the big silence was there. It was indication of a huge storm. जिसे तूफान के पहले शांति छा जाती है. The wind dropped, the wind stopped, and the enormous cloud towered aft of the ship. It was in front of the ship, and then the huge disaster was there, very clear. It was aft का मतलब होता that is very near. Next is here. Then came a growing roar of the sea waves roaring. Means waves were making noisement. Enormous clouds were there at the backside, and with horror I realized that it was not a cloud but a wave. So पीछे जो क्लाउड की तरह लग रहा था, एक्चुअली वो क्लाउड नहीं था, वो एक वेव था. लाइक नो अदर आई हैड एवर सीन. इतना बड़ा वेव कभी उन्होंने देखा नहीं था. इट अपीयर्ड perfectly vertical means the same size of the ship. So wave was so high as it was vertical to the ship, and almost twice the height of the other waves. दूसरी waves के compare में ये twice थी. And the roar increased, thundering increased, and the stern moved up the face of the wave, and for a moment I thought we might ride over it. और लगा कि waves they were very soon they would be riding there. But then a tremendous explosion shook the deck. What happened? A next wave came there, and it made the ship to stand straight. So they were saved. A torrent of green and white water broke over the ship. My head smashed into the wheel, and I was aware of flying overboard and sinking below the waves. Means waves were so high that the narrator was there terrified because situation was very dangerous. Then he moved quickly to the door. Larry and Herb were pumping water out of the ship. Means this was very dangerous situation. The wooden beams had broken. The wool starboard side had bulged inwards. So I accepted my approaching death. ऐसा लग रहा था कि सारे लोग, all of them would be die. And as I was losing conscious, I felt quite peaceful. Unexpectedly, my head popped out of the water. A few meters away, walker was near capsizing, her masts almost taut. I grabbed the guardrails and sailed through the air. Wave water means boom. So subsequent waves tossed me around the deck like a rag doll. So the narrator is saying that he was wounded and his head was wounded. He was injured, and he was thrown by the jerk of the waves, जस्ट लाइक अ रैग डॉल. रैग डॉल मीन्स जो फटे पुरानी कपड़ों की गुड़िया बनती है. सो जस्ट लाइक अ रैग डॉल he was also thrown on the deck of the ship by the jerk. झटके से, वेव की झटकों से वो वहाँ पे डेक पर एक डॉल की तरह बार बार he was thrown. So water all around. I could feel that the ship had water below. मतलब शिप पर वाटर आ चुका था. And now they had to do something to save themselves. So he found a hammer, screws and canvas and started repair work. He managed to stretch canvas and screw secure waterproof hatch covers. उन्होंने क्या किया, जो जितने भी वहाँ पे होल्स थे उसको कवर किया. एंड देन ही ट्राइड टू ब्लॉक द होल्स सो दैट वाटर कुड नॉट run inside the ship. Then take the wheel, he said to his wife. Take the wheel, I shouted as I scrambled for the hatch. Then he asked help of his wife and he said her to take the wheel. Next is there. Then after finding a hammer, screw and canvas, I struggled. He tried to make the holes to block so that water could not reach there. Somehow I managed. He was managed to do that. More problems when arose means problems were there when our hand pumps started to block up with the debris floating around the cabins and the electric pump circuited. तो जो उनके पास पंप था, it was short circuit and it was not working and the water level rose threateningly. मतलब it was dangerous. I found that our 2 spare hand pumps also they were not working, along with the forestay sail, the jib, the hinges and the main anchor. एंकर मीन्स एक नॉट होती रोप की जो वो लोग यूज़ करते हैं टू मेक द शिप स्टेबल. देन आई रिमेंबर्ड, तब राइटर को ध्यान आया कि एक स्पेयर पंपिंग था उनके पास. देन आई कनेक्टेड टू इट एंड आउट पाइप एंड इट वॉज वर्किंग, थैंकफुल. एंड देन इट वर्कड. द नाइट ड्रैग्ड ऑन with an endless, bitterly cold routine of pumping, steering and working. The radio means they all night they were doing the work. They were pumping, they were steering and they were trying to connect themselves to ask for help. We were getting no replies. Whenever they wanted to contact someone, they were not getting any reply, which was not surprising in this remote corner of the world. Sue's head had swollen. Sue was his daughter and his head has swelling and had 2 enormous black eyes. उसकी आँखें एकदम ब्लैक हो चुकी थी. Now she showed us a deep cut on her arm. When I asked why she had not made more of her injuries before this, why she did not tell about the injuries, she replied, I didn't want to worry you. So how much courageous was writer's daughter. By morning on January 3, the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control for us to take 2 hours rest in rotation, but we still had a tremendous leak somewhere. अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं से पानी आ रहा था. So the author was thinking about the thing. The main rib frame were smashed down to the keel. In fact, there was nothing holding up a whole section of the starboard hull. Hull means the deck of the ship, except a few cupboard partitions. So we had survived for 15 hours since the wave hit, but wave walker would not होल्ड टुगेदर लॉन्ग इनफ. उसको अच्छी तरह पता था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं पहुंच सकते थे, बिकॉज जो शिप की कंडीशन थी वो बहुत बुरी हो चुकी थी. इसके जो रिब्स थे सब टूट चुके थे. एंड आई चेक्ड आवर charts and calculated that there were 2 small islands. So the writer wanted to reach to the island Amsterdam was a French scientific base. Our only hope was to reach to that place, and it was pinpricks इसलिए कहा गया because the sea जो sea distance था it was huge, and in that sea distance 65,000 किलोमीटर को ढूंढना वो बहुत बड़ा टास्क था. But unless the wind and seas abated so we could hoist sail, our chances would be him. Means it was very rare chance to find out this island. On January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping, we reached the last few centimeters of water. Means जो पानी का लेवल था few centimeter ही बच गया था. Now we had only to keep pace with the water still coming in, and we could not set any sail on the main mast. Pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the pull apart because the ship had been damaged. So I thought the 2 islands were there, and Mary found some corned beef. कुछ खाने पीने को मिला काफ़ी घंटों बाद. They ate that, but our respite was short lived. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक वो शांत नहीं रह पाए because next storm was there to come. When I went into the comfort the children, he saw कि उनके दोनों बच्चे ठीक थे, and then उनके बेटे ने कहा we are not afraid of dying if we can all be together, you and mummy, Sue and I. I could find no words when he heard from his son. So he became very happy at that time with the undamaged port hull facing upcoming, because the writer and his wife, they were trying their best to sort out the problem and to face the situation and to avoid the dangers. That evening Mary and I sat together holding hands as the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks. We both felt the ends was very near. और उनको लगा कि उनकी डेथ जो है बिल्कुल नज़दीक है. Changes of course, dull and drift and current in an effort to calculate our position. The best I could determine was we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of ocean looking. मतलब इतने बड़े ओशन में 150,000 किलोमीटर ओशन में हम 65 किलोमीटर के आइलैंड को ढूंढ रहे थे. Why I was thinking, Sue moving painfully joined me, and then she had made a cartoon caricature बनाया था उसने, and then she had shown me, here are some funny people, did they make you laugh? I laughed a lot because she mentioned, oh, I love you both. So this card is to say thanks, because this card made him to like impress, to encourage, and they tried again. I checked and reached my calculations. We had lost our compass भी खो चुका था, और जो compass था वो अच्छे से रीडिंग नहीं कर रहा था. About 2 PM I went on deck and asked Mary to steer a course of 185. उन्होंने अपनी वाइफ से कहा कि 185 डिग्री पर उस शिप को मोड़ करके चलाएं. And if we were lucky, I told him with a conviction, I did not feel ही कुड एक्सपेक्ट टू सी द आइलैंड एट अबाउट, और उन्होंने एक्सपेक्टेशन की कि 5 बजे तक हम लोग आइलैंड पहुंच जाएंगे. देन विद अ हैवी हर्ट आई वेंट बिलो, क्लाइम्ड ऑन माई बंक, वो अपने बिस्तर पे गए. डोज्ड ऑफ, बहुत गहरी नींद आ गई. ही वॉज सरप्राइज्ड कि इतने टेंशन में उनको नींद कैसे आ गई. इट वॉज 6 o'clock एंड ही थॉट कि इन द इट वॉज डार्क नाइट, बहुत ठंड भी थी एंड बहुत ब्लैक नाइट थी. अब उनको लगा कि ही कुड नॉट बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट द आइलैंड. एट द मोमेंट अ टाउजर्ड हेड, मीन्स बिखरे बालों वाला एक सिर, मीन्स उनका जो बेटा था आया. कैन आई हैव अ हग फादर, एंड सू वॉज ऑल्सो, मतलब उनका जो बेटा बेटी दोनों आ गए थे. वाई एम आई गेटिंग अ हग नाउ, वाई आर यू हगिंग मी, आप लोग गले क्यों लगा रहे हो. तो उन्होंने कहा, बच्चों ने आंसर दिया कि यू आर द बेस्ट डैडी एंड यू आर द बेस्ट कैप्टन. तब राइटर ने कहा, नो नो नो, आई एम एफ्रेड, आई एम नॉट अ बेस्ट कैप्टन, आई एम नॉट अ बेस्ट डैडी. येस यू मस्ट बी, हिज डॉटर सेड. You found the island? Oh, what? And he shouted. He was very happy that they found out the island and they could be restful. They could be restful. We anchored offshore for the night and the next morning all 28 inhabitants, वो आइलैंड वो लोग पहुँच गए. एंड देन all inhabitants there, they were very happy and they helped them. So with land under my feet again, मतलब he was very happy when he found land under his feet. Then full of Larry and Herbie, cheerful and optimistic means being hopeful, and who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. So most of all I thought of a 7-year-old girl जिसके सिर में चोट लगी थी. She was being injured, head injury was there, and उसको 6 minor operations कराने पड़े. And recurring blood clot को रोकने के लिए. And also he was thinking the courage of his 6-year-old boy who was not afraid to die. So this is the story of this chapter, how courageously they had faced the situation and they were successful. So I hope you would have understood well. Thank you and Jai Hind.